Alright, here we go. We got these Federal 12 gauge premium Trueball copper deep penetrating rifle slugs, and it's got 1350 on the box. Gonna see how fast we got them coming out. Gonna clock them. Gonna do a couple of shots, only two, just to get it, you know, and get a rough idea if they're actually doing that, you know. Well, I didn't hit. Y'all hear the plane? That's they jump out of the plane around here. So if it sounds like it's stalling out, that's just them getting ready to jump. Stuff like that. I didn't hit record. Last shot was 1195. It was 1148. Again, on these, what I was saying earlier, this is for the second time, is these are the 1350. It's probably set up for like a bird gun, Remington 870, you know, bird barrel on there, longer barrel. This is an 18-inch barrel. So I mean, it's still 1150, 1190, hanging around in there. It's actually the first shot before that was 1150, 1160. So it's more hanging around the 1150 more than it is the other one. So that ain't bad. That's Federal Premium Trueball. These are the copper rifle slugs. Solid hitters. They're designed for deep penetration. For the non-believers, little bonus footage for y'all. That is one of those copper Trueballs right here. Yeah, they ain't. It's a big slug. Definitely a big slug. But there you go. That's what it looks like.